have a quick look at Magnifico settings. You'll see here that we can define both a thumbnail and a loop image. And this is important because, like in this Ferrari example, my actual magnified zoomed image is actually a completely different image. This gives us a really cool effect. When we hover over this image, we get to see the interior of the car. Pretty cool. Now, on top of drag and drop images, we have the ability to warehouse our images, as well as integrate directly with Total CMS. This gives us a lot of flexibility and a lot of power for how we want to define our images. Next, further down, we have our loop integration that allows us to define one of the 4 modes that we're going to use: drag, follow, fill, or static. Then below that, we have the ability to, do we want to auto hide? Do we want to auto show? Do we want to show the loop on page load? Things of that nature. Next, we have the loop sizing, where we can actually have responsive sizing, where the loop can either be a fixed size or a percentage width of the actual thumbnail. Then we have the ability to control the size of the magnified image, as well as the starting position. We then also have the ability to style our loop with a background color, some borders, shadow, and even add a fancy lens glare to give a realistic look to our loop. And last but not least, we have the ability to define our own custom classes for our loop actions. So if we want to have external controls, we can customize what those classes are to our liking. That way we can have different controls for different images on the page. Or you can have a set of controls that can control all of your loops all within one place.